it's Mia Girl. So today we are in Roblox Royal. Hi. So today I'm going to tell you 3 to 4 to 5 things that I recommend you guys to buy in Roblox Royal High. So let's start. So let's go through the skirts. First skirt that I want to tell you guys is the sparkly choo choo. Okay, this skirt is it's very cute and elegant. I really love this skirt. I mean, like, look at the decorations, look so cute. Look at the bows, and I really love the bow here and the design on it, the ruffles. It's such it's more, it's like cheaper. It's like only 10,000. I recommend you guys to buy this. It's a very cute item. So let's just jump on the next one. Next is mini skirt. Okay, mini skirt. Oh, hi. Okay, this is my cousin. I'm gonna tell her making a bed. Oops. Guys, she just came from nowhere. Okay, let's just see. So I recommend you guys to buy this mini skirt. It's very cute and all. She's still standing there. I really love this skirt. Look at the bow. It just got reworked. When it didn't got reworked, I liked it. Oops, someone's phone came. I'm going to just stop the video, answer the phone, and yeah. So guys, I answered the call. Okay, yeah, want to tell you this skirt is very cute and all. Now let's jump to the next skirt. Next skirt is no, I don't know, not this. Yeah, this. Oops. The Dear Dolly ruffled skirt. It's like, it's so cute. Look at it. It's so cute. I don't know, the ruffles is cute and all. I really love this skirt. Recommend you guys to buy it. Now off to the heels we go. First heels are the action boots. Action boots are really cute. Like, yeah, I'm not gonna answer you. Guys, she's trying to tease me. She's disturbing me. Whatever, let's just ignore her. So, action boots are very cute. She's saying that I'm recording. Hello. So, I'm like, technically, I want you guys to, but it was very cheap, but now it's not. Now it's off sale. I'm like very sad, and she's like, hello everyone. So next heels. Next are the high school lacy boots. These boots are very cute. Oops. These boots are like so cute. I really love these. Next, okay, now off to we go to the accessories. First is Leah Ash barriers. Okay, this is my sis. I'm gonna tell her. She's like going crazy here. So this came in a 2019 hand, like, the celebration when 2019 started, the Liash Bears. I recommended you guys to get it, but as it's not coming back, it was 30k and I'm trading them away for 35k. Okay, just like increase 5,000. I really love these. Next item is the pacifier from the 2019 celebration. Yeah. I love this bio specifier. It's so cute and all. Next is um this. Where is it? I don't know. Where is it? Yeah. Here is it. Candy explosion. Candy explosion. People say it's rare. It's very cute. It's like cute and all. I really love this. Next is the spider masterpiece bag. Okay. The reason I like it because I really love shoulder bags. I really love the spider on it and the design it has. Okay. Next is lovely tiara. This is an wheel item and I recommend you guys to get it. It's your chance. If you get it, you get it or not. Now, oops, what I'm doing. Next is the Miss Lady Rose bodice. I'm gonna wear a skirt to show how it looks. There's my skirt. I'm glitching. So this is how it looks. This is so cute. Like, I really love the bodice. And by the way, this skirt is also very cute. Okay, I'm just gonna take these out. Oops, forgot to take this out. Now this is gonna be the last accessory that I'm recommend you guys to get slash by I mean like second last. There's one more accessory left. What is happening? Why am I clicking over random accessories? Here is the what is it? Hello ma'am. she's trying to disturb me. Magical hair ribbon. So oh, she's trying to be a maid. So this is how it looks. I really love this. I'm gonna play along. Hello maid. Okay. Wait, where is she? Alright, she's wait guys. Guys, can I'm gonna host a party. No. Now what? So I'm just going. So this is the last accessory that I'm going to show you guys. Where is it? Let's see it. Yeah, here is it. Elf ears. I'm gonna wear a bun so you guys can properly see it. Bun walk. Ah. So these are the elf ears. These are so cute. Wait, my hair is going through my ears. Excuse me, this is not a joke. I'm trying to look cute. I don't know what. Okay, no. This hairstyle. My net is working like hella slow. Work. Video. Okay, yeah. So this is how these look. These are so cute. I really love the elf look. Wait, can I sleep? Yeah, I can. Lol. So yeah, so that was the last thing that I recommend you guys to buy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye. I'm gonna end the video now.